Welcome back to the channel, Cooking with Menu Focus, and today we're gonna be making some cranberry sauce. It's the holidays, and you already know, man, when you got the turkey, you got the dressing, you got all those fixings, man, you can't go wrong with cranberry sauce. So today we're gonna be making a quick cranberry sauce to get that on the table. Alright, let's get started. So you want to get you a half a cup of water, and then you go in there with a cup of sugar. Now you got your bag of fresh cranberries. Also, what you can add is a tablespoon of cornstarch, and this is going to help you with the consistency that you need for cranberry sauce. Get your orange, and you're going to zest that orange up, and then you're going to also add a cup of orange juice, and this is going to give you those citrus notes that you need in this cranberry sauce. Once you get this thing up to a boiling temperature, you're going to hear your cranberries pop, and then you just going to take those cranberries and you're going to smash those things on the side, just like I be smashing these recipes, right? So smash that subscribe button for me too. But this is what you're going to see here, man. You're going to see that velvet red color as you smash those cranberries. And as you cook longer, this mixture is going to thicken up for you. And then when it cools, it's going to get a nice thick consistency. It's not going to be like your canned cranberry, but you'll still have a thick consistency. Alright, so I got you in the game. We got a quick, easy cranberry sauce. And you already know, man, hey, if you're new to this channel, smash that subscribe button. Alright, so you can see right here, you got that cranberry sauce, and we got the family here for Thanksgiving. So you already know how we get down. We're gonna smash into this Thanksgiving dinner. Hey man, we definitely appreciate y'all coming out and watching. Hey, peace.